Many gardeners feel pressured to maintain a compost pile, thinking it's essential for a healthy garden. The images of neat bins and tumblers make it look easy, just toss in scraps and wait for rich compost. But the reality, it's often a hassle, getting the right mix of greens and browns, turning the pile, and waiting months for results can be overwhelming. If you don't turn it, the pile can get smelly, attract pests, or just sit there, not breaking down. Sometimes, after all that effort, you're left with half-decomposed scraps and disappointment. The process is slow, messy, and can feel like another chore on your list. For many, compost bins end up abandoned, a reminder of good intentions gone awry. Traditional composting was designed for large gardens or farms, not the average backyard. It's complicated, time-consuming, and often impractical for home gardeners. But here's the good news. There's a much simpler, more natural way to enrich your soil. No bins, no turning, no complicated science. It's time to ditch the compost pile for good. Walk through a forest and look at the ground. It's covered in rich, dark soil, created without any compost bins. Nature composts right on the soil, effortlessly. Leaves, branches, and old plants fall and stay where they land, forming a protective blanket. This natural mulch keeps soil moist, prevents erosion, and shields life below. Underneath, microbes, fungi, and earthworms break down the material, feeding the soil. There's no turning, no piles, just a slow, steady cycle of decay and renewal. Nutrients return directly to the soil, feeding plants in a perfect closed-loop system. Forest soil is fertile because it's always being fed from the top down. Composting isn't a separate chore in nature, it's part of the ecosystem. By mimicking this process, we can compost in our gardens with far less effort. Let nature do the work, just like in the forest. No bins, no fuss, just healthy, thriving soil. The secret is simple. Compost where you grow. Watch your garden transform naturally. Let's learn how to bring this effortless system home. The biggest lesson from the forest. Your soil is the best compost bin. Garden soil is alive, teeming with billions of microbes and creatures like earthworms and beetles. These natural composters break down organic matter efficiently, right where it's needed. Instead of building a separate pile, deliver scraps directly to the soil, no special conditions required. Think of your soil as a bustling underground city, ready to turn waste into nutrients. Earthworms pull scraps down, microbes break them apart, and nutrients are released for your plants. This in-soil process is faster and more effective than waiting for a pile to finish. Nutrients are released steadily, right at the roots. The soil structure improves, becoming more aerated and fertile. No heavy lifting, no turning, just healthier, more resilient soil. Let your garden's natural workforce do the composting for you. Your soil will thank you. One of the easiest ways to compost in place is trench composting. Dig a trench, fill it with kitchen scraps, and cover it with soil. Done. The soil organisms take over, breaking down the waste underground. This method works in empty beds or between rows of growing plants. All you need is a spade and your kitchen scraps. No meat or dairy. Bury the scraps about a foot deep, cover with soil, and let nature handle the rest. Earthworms and microbes will quickly get to work, enriching your soil. There's no smell, no pests, and nutrients go straight to plant roots. Over time, you can move across your garden, creating rich soil everywhere. It's clean, simple, and incredibly effective. Turn kitchen waste into garden gold, one trench at a time. Composting doesn't get easier than this. If digging trenches feels like too much, try pocket composting. Just dig small holes near your plants, drop in kitchen scraps, and cover them up. It's perfect for established beds or heavy feeders like tomatoes and squash. Use a hand trowel, avoid damaging roots, and stick to fruit and veggie scraps. Pocket composting is flexible. Do it whenever you have scraps. The buried waste feeds plants slowly, right where they need it. It improves soil structure and attracts beneficial worms and microbes. For demanding plants, make several pockets throughout the season. It's precise, effortless, and keeps your garden thriving. Small actions, big rewards. The simplest method: surface mulching, just like the forest floor. Lay organic materials directly on the soil: leaves, grass clippings, shredded paper, straw, or chopped kitchen scraps. Cover kitchen scraps with leaves or straw to hide them and prevent smells. This mulch suppresses weeds, conserves moisture, and regulates soil temperature. Underneath, earthworms and microbes feast, pulling nutrients into the soil. No digging, no turning, just drop and go. This is the foundation of no-dig gardening. Add new layers over time to build rich, fertile soil from the top down. Your soil becomes darker, healthier, and more alive each season. No heavy lifting, no compost pile, just let nature do the work. Surface mulching is the ultimate lazy gardener's secret. Try it and watch your garden flourish. Why do these simple methods work? It's all about the life in your soil. When you add organic matter, you fuel a thriving ecosystem of microbes, fungi, and earthworms. Earthworms shred and digest scraps, leaving behind nutrient-rich castings. Their tunnels aerate the soil and help roots grow deep. Fungi and bacteria break down tough materials, turning them into plant food. This natural nutrient cycling is far better than synthetic fertilizers, which can harm soil life. Composting in place feeds the entire soil food web, not just your plants. Nutrients are released slowly, building long-lasting fertility. Healthy soil grows stronger, more resilient plants. The magic is happening right under your feet. No-pile composting transforms your garden and your gardening experience. Feeding the soil directly creates a vibrant, living ecosystem. Rich soil holds more water, drains better, and supports healthier plants. Plants get a steady, balanced diet. No more nutrient spikes or crashes. You'll notice better growth, flavor, and resilience to pests and drought. Best of all, you save time and effort. No bins, no turning, no hauling. Composting in place is efficient and rewarding. You'll see kitchen scraps as valuable resources, not waste. Gardening becomes a joyful partnership with nature. Healthy soil, happy gardener. Free yourself from the compost pile myth. Nature's way is simpler, easier, and more effective. Your soil is alive and ready to do the work, just feed it. Try trenching, pocketing, or surface mulching. Start small and see the results. Cover bare soil with organic matter and watch your garden transform. You'll spend less time on chores and more time enjoying your garden. Save money, reduce waste, and build a resilient ecosystem. Gardening becomes less about rules and more about partnership with nature. Ditch the pile. Put away the fork, and let worms and microbes do the work. Discover the lazy gardener's secret to a thriving garden. More joy, less work, let nature lead the way.